wanted to come on here today and give a quick message about abundance and prosperity being our birthright. So I was meditating earlier today and I had like this really overwhelming sensation that came over me. It was like imagine gratitude, but on steroids, right? I really had to sit with myself and think about all of the amazing things that have been happening for me since you guys last saw me. As you guys know, I was in Colombia for some time, hung out with some friends, did a few ceremonies there, a few ayahuasca ceremonies, and I was really fortunate enough to experience the transformation of a lot of individuals that are really close to my heart by guiding them through their own plant medicine journey with my shamana, and it was just such a beautiful experience. And from there, I had this feeling of like, okay, I need to go out into the world. There are places in my heart that I've been wanting to go to, like Vietnam, and I've been here for 4 months now, and it's been nothing but amazing opportunities, amazing people, so much abundance, and not abundance in like the way that we've been conditioned and programmed to believe it to be, but abundance in a way of like, wow, I wake up and anything I can think of or anything that I desire, I literally just walk outside of my room and it's there for me. It could be the littlest thing. It could be like, oh, today I want to go to the beach. I don't know how I'm going to do it. My schedule's so busy. I have so many things to do. But somehow I end up at the beach and everything gets done and I have a great time. You know, it's little things like that that remind me of how abundant we truly are when we allow the universe to do what it's meant to do, meaning when we step out of our own way, when we stop feeding into the doubts, the negativity, the negative thought patterns that we were so conditioned to perpetuate. When we step out of that, we see very clearly how the path in front of us is so wide open, and all of the little blockages, which are like our doubts and our negative beliefs and the thought loops and the other people, the naysayers, the haters, if you will. The path is clear and it's here for us to be able to see more clearly. And so as I was meditating, going back to this, I was able to see all the ways that I was getting in my own way, and coming here made me realize that anything I want, anything I desire, anything I want to have, anything I want to be, anything I want to do, I can do it. And there's a lot of reasons why that is, but maybe in a later video I'll talk about why Vietnam specifically, but it has to do with astrology. So if you're into that, definitely take a look at your astrocartography to see where you would essentially be thriving. Abundance is our birthright. Think of it like the air you breathe. That is how simple it should be. That's how easy it should come. And when we start meditating and when we start journaling about all the doubts and the fears that we have, just when we get it out and when we release it, we start to see like, oh, the only thing that's really getting in the way is myself. Because if other people can see me and they look at me and they're like, wow, you're doing amazing, like all the things that you're doing, I don't know how you do it, right? That's what other people see. So it's like, why can't you see what others see? So when you externalize these doubts and these fears, you're able to see it as a reflection back to yourself, and then you can one by one slowly dissipate each and every one. For example, I really want to do this thing, but I don't have the money to do it. That is a doubt. That's a limiting belief, because if it was a true desire of yours, the universe will find every which way to make it happen, and it may be a way that you least expect. So that's why I say you have to be open and you have to trust and you have to know that the path in front of you is clear. The only thing getting in the way are these limiting beliefs, these doubts, people, places, things that you shouldn't be doing, or things that you should be doing that you're not doing, like maybe making a video or moving to a different country, a different city. All of these things are tools that can help us see that abundance is all around us, so that when you walk outside your front door every morning, anything you want, anything you desire, you can have it. There are no limits to this. And I'm living proof. I cannot wait to share with everyone all the beautiful things that have been happening. So, just a little snippet. If you haven't already checked out my Sol and Luna Wellness website, I've been working very diligently on updating it and creating this online sanctuary where individuals can come and explore the world of wellness and prosperity and abundance and wisdom and knowledge, but taking it a step further. So it's not just living online. I am offering in person experiences. I'm offering herbs to help you complete your healing journey. Plants, I do believe, make us whole again, whether they're herbs or plant medicine or the food you eat on a daily basis. We have the in person experiences, we have the herbs, and in the midst of all this, I'm building something massive, and I couldn't really see how it was supposed to go, but I've just been guided and accepting and receiving all the resources, the people, the places, the things that have been coming into my experience and my reality as a result of me being open to the abundance that's all around me. And so I hope that this video, short but sweet, is an inspiration to anyone who might be ruminating over an idea or something that you feel as though you can't achieve. But if you couldn't, you wouldn't have been given the desire in the first place. That thought wouldn't have dropped into your field. So I want you to sit down and journal about all of the doubts that you have, and then meditate on each one, and then find a way to reframe it, and watch as your reality begins to change as a result. Watch as you start to receive all the resources along your way, and watch as you start to build something great. It doesn't have to be built overnight, because it definitely is not going to work that way. If you have a belief that this needs to be built overnight, then you've already set yourself up for failure. So what I want you to do is know that it's already done, and then just simply listen and wait for the signs, the signals, to come into your field. And eventually you'll look back. 4 months ago, I had no idea how any of this was going to happen. And here I am 4 months later, and everything is so magical. So yes, abundance is your birthright. Abundance is all around you. You can have, be, and do anything you desire. And I'm going to continue to be living proof of that. And so if you'd like to connect, definitely check out some links down below. I am going to get back onto my YouTube grind because I miss it so much. I miss just, I don't know, yapping about spiritual stuff that maybe, some people have never heard of before, but that's why I'm here. So see you guys soon.